Good morning, everybody. This is Melissa. I am doing a flip through of a journal for Studio 2080 design team. This was the kit Blue Velvet. I made kind of a fun little book. It is slightly packed, a little bit more than I expected, but oh well, I seem to do that quite often. I used seam binding for the closure. This is lace on manila file folder, and then gessoed and some ink just to bring out the pattern. It opens like this. Magnetic closures for both sides. And we'll start with this side. And this is mostly the kit pieces. I did throw in some, little note paper for a journaling card, some decoupage, a little bit, wallpaper, a little gemstone. One of the images from the kit, and the background papers from the kit. A little journaling card. These are all from the kit Blue Velvet, created by Sherri Studio 28E. Paper clipped in, just a little journaling card, and a flip down. Oops, didn't go there. Small tag, part of the embellishments from the kit. More embellishment, little tuck, journaling spot, a little bit of stamping here, and doily. A couple tags, a pocket from the kit, page from the kit. This is Blue Velvet ribbon. It is very old and very tattered, actually. Journaling card, little flip out pocket, journaling card from the kit, some stamping, another little tag. This is an envelope that I had, just attached it here to make a pocket. Some stamping on the back of the kit page. Tea staining. This is just a CD envelope, and inside the pocket are just some decoupage tags, collage tags. A little cigarette card from the kit. Another little tag, stamped bird. Tuck spot card from the image, from the kit. I'm sorry. Some stamping. A little tag I had. Wallpaper. More stamping. This was half of a large sticker that I had. I thought it went really well with this kit. More of the digital pages. Some stamping. Pretty digital pages. This is one of the page spreads made smaller, turned into a little journaling spot. One of the kit embellishments. The last page, I did a little flip, fabric flip, journaling spot there. And there's the one side. In the center, we have doily, which creates little tuck spots. Some scrapbooking paper I had that matched really well. And the other side, basically the same. Tuck spot. Pages from the kit made smaller. One of the embellishments. Tea stained paper, just fold it over. Create a pocket. Another little pocket with a tag. tea stain paper, the embellishment. Some scrapbook paper I had backed with tea stain. One of the images from the kit. More embellishments. These are the digital pages, stamping on the back. Glassine bag, some stamping, doily, just a little journaling card. Lots of writing space, journaling card. Another one of those envelopes, flips out, and another journaling card. It's a little bit of washi to add some color. Journaling card from the page. More of that beautiful vintage blue velvet ribbon. Little tags or tickets. Another CD. And same thing. Little journaling cards here. Backed with tea stain paper. The center's tied. Little piece of note paper tucked in, wallpaper, a few little gems scattered throughout. Oh, a lot of gems on this one. Just a journaling card, some of the embellishments. This is a tag that turns into a tuck spot. And a belly band. And the back page, a little tuck spot. This is the kit blue velvet. That's the lady I used on the front, and a little journaling spot. And the back, another little journaling card, decoupage, wallpaper. And there you have it. This is my design team project for Studio 28E. Tie back up, and there she is. Thank you for watching.